Welcome back to Edgemont Village Vista, everybody. We are week 43 on this project and we have made so much progress. Now that we have designs pretty much finalized and we're getting closer to knowing exactly what we're going to be building, the team has been hard at work getting interior walls framed up, getting exterior things dialed in and ready to go. So we've got a lot of stuff to show you. Let's jump in and take a look. Okay, so we're inside and we have walls, and lots of walls. So over here we've got the TV room. I mean, there's not much to talk about other than it's a TV room. Obviously there's a window that'll be installed there eventually, but that's coming in the future. And then over here, we've got one of the offices for this home. And so this is a nice spacious office. And what we've got here right now, we've got our project manager and project coordinator on site laying out the cabinets and figuring out where everything is going to go so that that's all documented on the floor so that all of the trades that are coming in know where to pull their wires to. You know, one of the things that happens a lot is people forget that cabinets have gables or cabinet boxes. And so sometimes what happens is people put plugs or water outlets where the cabinet side is. That doesn't work. They need to come through the back of the cabinet. If it comes to the side of the cabinet, that's a problem. So we want to make sure we put things in the right place. Let's have a look at what the kitchen's looking like here, Kyle. So I haven't seen this done before, but I like it. They've actually taken some lacquer and snap lines on the floor and then put lacquer on top of it to make sure that the lines don't disappear on us, because they will. We've got all of the cabinets laid out in here, and again, you can see where all the boxes are. We've got oven here, and you can see there's obviously gables there, cabinet, and so getting that all dialed in, looking good, and that's going to inform everybody else who comes on site what's going where. Of course, this is going to be a wonderfully magnificent folding door system, huge beam above that to support everything, and that is going to allow complete connection from the kitchen to the outdoor living space, which we will also be designing and executing on this project as well. Stay tuned, you're not going to want to miss that. Over here is the great room, family room area, right? So we've got family room, kind of Kyle sort of standing in the middle of the dining room table right now, and then kitchen behind Kyle. So nice, big, open space, very comfortable, very spacious, looking magnificent. Across the hallway over here will be the future powder room for the main floor of the house. So this is all looking great. I haven't eyeballed everything to make sure everything's perfectly straight yet, but I'll certainly do that before I leave today. Let's go upstairs. So here we are upstairs. We can see the electricians are starting to get their wall plugs in and get those located. Again, the Sprucehill way is to go and place all of the plugs and switches throughout the home. Pot light trim rings, which are also installed. These are these squarey things, so obviously they're doing a pretty funky pot light in this house. And again, we have the privilege of working with our friends from Beyond Beige to do all of this work. I'm going to go ahead and guess that Soffit got brought into the scope of work because that sounds like Soffit Demolition. In here, we can see that we've started to run our ducting for the heating and ventilation system for this home. Again, I know different clients have different wants, needs, and desires. This home didn't have an existing radiant floor system, so we're not installing a radiant floor system for these clients. They would rather have a really well-performing whole home heating and cooling system and air cleaning system than having to pay for the additional $30,000 or so to put in radiant floors. So again, I know people in the comment section have their opinions on that. You're welcome to them, but people are allowed to disagree with you. So take that. Well, it looks like a construction area. This is a future office, really, really big office, but it's looking awesome. The electricians have started to get the pot light mud rings installed. So that's what's going on so far. I don't see too many plugs or switches installed yet, but that will be coming very quickly here. Okay, so we've formed and poured a new footing down here. So there was an existing strip footing that we were able to borrow, and we've just put another pedestal on top of that. So there will be a future post landing right there. Again, there's not a ton of changes in here other than we've got the mud rings installed for the pot lights. We've got some of the plugs and switches that have been placed on the walls. And I mean, this is looking great. We've got the future theater room here. which is also very comfortable, beautiful, amazing, awesome. We have so much to share with you on this project. We really hope that you subscribe to the channel and follow the journey, because this project is going to be incredible when it's completed. So as I suspected when we were upstairs just now, the soffit definitely has been brought into the scope of work. So we are now removing all of the soffit, and we will be getting ready to install new soffit in the future here. So like I said, folks, there is going to be so much cool stuff happening on this project. You really do want to subscribe or follow and stay tuned for future updates, because it is going to be incredible. Sprucehill Homes is the Lower Mainland's major transformation specialist. If you want to work with pros that have been there, done that, Sprucehill Homes is the place to come. 20 years of experience. Come on, let's do this together. We want to be your partners in success. In the meantime, if you find this content entertaining, informative, maybe share it with a friend. We sure would appreciate it if you subscribe or follow us, and certainly like the video. In the meantime, thank you so much for watching, and we'll check you on the next one. Stay awesome, everybody. Bye now.